Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today is another Friday from the Vintage Friday series and we are talking about the 1930s today. So if you're interested in finding out how they did their makeup, please keep on watching, and of course like, share and subscribe to my channel. So first we are starting with skin. They had pen sticks and powders that they used, but today I'm not using that. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10 for just a little coverage. And now I'm setting it with some powder. They really loved using powder. I'm using Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm mixing these two shades. I have my eyebrows on because I don't want to do what they did back then. They had really thin eyebrows, or they would plug them all and then they would go with a tint. Okay, next they used a little bit of eyeshadow on their lids. They usually went with some greens or blues, pinks or purples. I'm using this all-in-one today. I'm just applying it with my finger. It wasn't like bold colors, it was just a wash of color. And they actually contoured their eyes with eyeshadows. I mean, in this way. After that, they went with eyeliner. They had pencil ones, but I can't find any black ones, so I'll use this liquid one. And they went from inner tear duct to the outer part, but without wing. By that time, mascara was a must-have, and every woman had it in her purse. And they had those bar ones when you had brush and tint, but not in this liquid type. It was, I think, in 50s when liquid mascara came. They went really heavy with mascara on lower lashes. They used blush. It was pinkish, but they weren't that heavy-handed like they were in 20s. And for lips, they used very dark reds or maroon or raspberry reds. I decided to go with this maroonish color. This is Belle Cosmetics Royal Matte lipstick in the shade 22. So this is the finished look. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye!